Hey, it's Gemma with your latest tech update. Airports, hotels, cafes and shopping centres all offer public charging points where you can boost your phone or laptop. But the FBI recently advised us not to use these USB charging ports because of a growing security risk. It's called juice jacking. USB cables are used for data transfer as well as charging, and a compromised USB charging point could be used to infect your device with malware or monitoring software. The tech used by Crooks is getting smaller, cheaper, and easier, which means the less sophisticated criminals are using it. The safest thing is to carry your own charger and connect it to a power socket. Or, if you must use a public USB port, invest in a gadget called a USB data blocker. This prevents data from being transferred, but the device will still charge. The list of security threats is growing all the time, which is why our experts work so hard to keep our clients one step ahead of the criminals. If you want our protection, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.